Hey guys, it's time for the OnePlus to make a second big move after the release of OnePlus 5. And no, it's not the OnePlus 6, it's too early for that. All OnePlus 5 models are now out of stock in the US and in other markets, which only means something new is coming. The new and improved OnePlus 5 with one massive and much needed feature that all the other flagships have except you and obviously you. I'm talking about the bezel-less 18:9 display. A new report from Gizmo China claims to have details on OnePlus's next flagship phone. According to the report, the OnePlus 5T will feature a 6-inch display with a resolution of 2160 by 1080. This is the first time ever we are seeing a huge change in the screen size, as all the previous model had 5.5-inch panels. The report further says that the OnePlus 5T release date is set for some time in November 2017. That would certainly make sense, as the 2016's OnePlus 3T was also unveiled in November. This 5T model might also have a new exclusive color, just like the last year's OnePlus 3T. The internals will remain the same, so Snapdragon 835 processor with 8/6 gigs of RAM. The only difference will be is a 6-inch display with less bezels, and of course, with the bigger display, we have a bigger battery, probably around 3500 mAh. Now, this is the image leak according to the Gizmo China, and it looks a lot like Oppo F5 phone, which also got a leak recently, and you can definitely tell by the look of the UI that it's not the OnePlus 5T, as we know that OnePlus runs near stock UI, just like the Pixel phone. So as far as I know, as far as I can tell, that this is not how it will look. So hopefully we'll see some more leaks on the looks and everything. Most probably it will resemble the OnePlus 5 from the back, with a large bezel-less display on the front. And again, the best of all, the pricing would be very good compared to the competition. I guess it would be in between $550 to $590 at max, still a lot cheaper than other flagships. The OnePlus 5T completes what lacked with the original OnePlus 5, so in my opinion, this is the true flagship killer. This could be the true flagship killer, at least for those people who want stock kind of UI and they don't want to spend that much money on the Pixel XL. They can definitely go ahead and buy the OnePlus 5T with a 6-inch AMOLED display, bezel-less, and of course, near stock UI. I don't know about Samsung or Apple, but this phone definitely looks like it can kill the Pixel phones for sure. But that's just my opinion. I can't wait to see what's next with this OnePlus 5T phone. Hopefully, there will be more leaks, so stay tuned for more information to come, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.